Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download MEXC app on iPhone. Now it actually depends on your country or on your region. So if MEXC is available in your country, you might find its application on App Store, and from there you can easily download it. There is no rocket science in that. But the problem is faced by a lot of people who are living in the countries where MEXC is not allowed, and there they have iPhone and they want to use MEXC app. So they are wondering how they can actually download it. So you have the option of downloading MEXC application from its official website, that is mexc.co. So from there you can download it very easily in your iPhone device. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can let me know that in the comment section below, and I will also put the link of it down in the description. That would be the sign up link, and if you use that link in order to create your account here, you can avail 8,000 USDT in sign up bonuses. So it's a limited time deal. If you are thinking of creating your account here, make sure you check that out in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.